Have you ever needed to check an important email or draft a reply without an internet connection? Today, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Gmail offline. Before we start, please note that you must use the Google Chrome browser for this feature to work. First, open Gmail and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings. Next, navigate to the Offline tab in the top menu. Here you will see an option to enable offline mail. Go ahead and check that box. Once enabled, you can customize your sync settings. You can choose how many days of emails you want to store. For example, the last 30 or 90 days, and decide if you want to include attachments. Now, let's look at security. If you are using a computer that others might access, select Remove Offline Data from My Computer. This ensures your emails are deleted from the device whenever you sign out or change your password. Once you are finished, click Save Changes at the bottom. Now, here is the most important part that many people miss. When you have no internet, your browser can search for Gmail or load the usual way. To fix this, you must bookmark your inbox right now while you are still online. When you are offline, you won't able to type in the URL and wait for a redirect. Instead, you will click this bookmark. This acts as a direct link to the cached data saved on your computer, allowing Gmail to open instantly even without a connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. I will provide more videos like this on my channel to help you master your digital tools, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.